gon' burn it down? Who gon' burn it down? Burn it down. Burn it down. Who gon' burn it down?
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to SHOEPERFLY. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Superfly or a don't buy. So without further ado, making a second appearance on SHOEPERFLY with yet another fashion-forward footwear design is Steve Madden, and it's over-the-knee shaft sky-high heel. Can you see that? Sky-high heel, open toe, Steve Madden Beverly Black. It delivers major drama and then some, blending a leg lengthening silhouette and soaring architectural heel. The open toe peekaboo back heel features mesh fabric composition with man-made upper material, unlined with a man-made sole. Man-made sole with a 4.5-inch heel and a 21-inch shaft heel height with square toe opening. Retailing at $139.95 excluding tax and shipping exclusively at stevemadden.com and retail stores. The Beverly Black heeled boot, only in the color black, here in a size 8.5, is a hot toddy with attitude for days, or should I say legs. Get it? Legs. Attitude for legs. Because of the heel's lengthening boot silhouette. Anywho, don't let the attitude fool you though, because they're surprisingly comfortable and hassle-free to walk in despite the slimline constructed heel. It fits true to size with not much wiggle room. In there, or space to breathe. And for my thick girls like me out there, the shaft of the boot definitely contours the frame. Pair with a fresh petty and confident stride, and it won't matter the attire, as the Beverly is the headliner doing all the work. So not much more effort is required other than good taste and whatever outfit you're assembling it with. You can rock a simple pair of jeans, and a tee or dare to go there in a matching black leather romper. Want more luxury brand designer footwear? Then look no further and subscribe to my channel for this and more. Smash that like button and hit that bell for notification each and every time I post, joining other superheroes in the best in shoes, review, and fashion news. Here's a closer look at the Steve Madden Beverly Black.
When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this.
Currently, there are approximately 120 Steve Madden stores across the United States and 250 in over 65 countries. It can be said it's a shoe luxury brand that is here to stay. However, do I have some drama for you? Some of you might not know that the shoe designer Steve Madden went to prison for his dealings with Jordan Belfort, serving a prison sentence of 31 months for stock fraud at Eglin Federal Prison Camp in Florida. Yep. If you've seen The Wolf of Wall Street, the movie, you will recall the real-life storyline of Jordan Belfort, played by Leonardo DiCaprio, taking Steve Madden's shoe company public in 1993. The IPO was a smashing success until it all came crumbling down as Belfort ratted out Madden and others profiting from the brokerage firm's illegal activities. Madden happily flipped stocks by buying and selling shares on the day of his company's initial public offering, only to make a quick 20 to 40 grand that he could then turn and reinvest in the business. So, in May 2001, Mr. Madden pleaded guilty to conspiracy to commit money laundering and securities fraud and was later sentenced. In the movie, Madden is portrayed as a shy, baseball cap wearing, shoe selling Jewish guy from Long Island, played by Dustin Hoffman's then 32-year-old actor son, Jake Hoffman, who Madden himself noted of the portrayal as being too nerdy. Yeah, not a true depiction in Madden's eyes. While the real Belfort went on to serve 22 months in federal prison, Madden refused to cooperate with the feds, no snitching there, and wound up spending 31 months behind bars, including time in drug and alcohol treatment for his opiate and alcohol addiction. As for whether Madden holds any grudges against Belfort, Madden said in 2014, quote, "He ratted me out to save himself, but it was a long time ago, and I try not to live in the past. You've got to move on, and I have," end quote. Then went on further to say, "Our stock has gone up at 100 times. We started with a 20 million market cap, and now the company is worth more than 2.3 billion. Yeah, I don't think he too mad. Check out his memoir, The Cobbler, How I Disrupted an Industry, Fell from Grace, and Came Back Stronger Than Ever, if you want more on the turbulent times of Steve Madden. Fall from societal grace and return to riches. Then cop his book. Also, let me know in the comment section if you like this type of news and want more documentary style fashion news. I'm for it. You superheroes out there, let me know if you're for it. Until then, cop these Steve Madden because they are 100% SHOEPERFLY and a must buy. Bye bye. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just gonna do it again.